Hello children, welcome to your 8th standard chemistry class. In this class, we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter 6, combustion and flame. What do you mean by combustion, children? What do you mean by combustion? Burning of any substance is said to be combustion. Burning of any substance is said to be combustion. Once again, I repeat you, what is combustion? Burning of a substance is said to be combustion. Or otherwise, we may easily or simply say that the chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat and light is known to be combustion. Burning is also combustion. In other words, we may say that the chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat and light is known to be combustion. Do you understand it, children? Yes. Example for this burning or this combustion is a burning of a paper. What will happen if you burn a paper? It will give you heat and light, isn't it, ma? Yes. Look at the picture, children. What is it? It is a burning of magnesium ribbon. Burning of magnesium ribbon. Do you remember the activity of burning of magnesium ribbon performed in your class 7? Do you remember, children? What will happen when we burn a magnesium ribbon? Yes, the magnesium burns to form magnesium oxide and produces heat and light. Isn't it, ma? Yes, it forms heat and light. When magnesium ribbon burns, it forms a heat and light and it gives a brilliant white color light. Isn't it, ma? Yes. Okay, dear children, you are familiar with the burning of a candle. Yes. What's the difference between the burning of a candle and the burning of a fuel like coal? Look at the picture, children. The first one is the burning of a candle. The second one is now you are familiar with the term combustion. Isn't it, children? Yes. What do you mean by combustion? It's a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give off heat is called combustion. Do you remember it, children? Yes. Then, what do you mean by combustible substances? Combustible substances. Substances that the next non-combustible substances. Non-combustible substances. What do you mean by non-combustible substances, children? You can easily say the definition for non-combustible substances. Yes. What is it? The substances that do not catch fire easily are called non-combustible substances. Otherwise, the substances which do not burn in air or oxygen are called non-combustible substances. Say some examples for non-combustible substances, children. What are the examples of non-combustible substances? Yes, glass, stone are the examples for non-combustible substances. The substances. What do you mean by fuel, children? What do you mean by fuel? A combustible substance which produces energy after burning is called a fuel. So, all and which one gives energy to do work for us, children? Yes, food gives us energy to do work. So, we may say that food is a fuel for our body. Can we say, children? Yes. And the question arises, why do we say that food is fuel for our body? Because it gives us energy to do work, isn't it, ma? Yes. When we eat food, it gets broken down in simpler substances which react with oxygen and generate energy. Hence, food is referred to as fuel for our body. The combustible substances are also burned and it gives us energy. The combustible substances are said to be fuel. In our body, what is the fuel, children? Our food is the fuel. Do you understand, children? Yes. You have already learnt about this in your 7th standard biology lesson. Do you remember it, children? Yes. Okay, dear children. Now you are familiar with the combustible and non-combustible substances. Isn't it, ma? Yes. In your textbook, page number 65, there is one activity number 6.1. What's that activity, children? Collect some materials like straw, matchsticks, kerosene oil, paper, iron nail, stone pieces, glass, etc. And what is your work, children? You are going to write the combustible and non-combustible substances. Go through the substances, children. What are the substances given in the table? Go through it and write if combustion takes place. And there is a second activity. What is it? The activity 6.2. From this activity, we are going to investigate the conditions under which combustion takes place. Already you have learned this in your lower classes. Okay. What is the activity 6.2? Look at the picture, children. First one, fix a lighted candle on a table. Put a the next activity, activity number 6.3. Place a place a piece of burning wood or charcoal on an iron plate or tar. Cover it with a glass jar or a tumbler or a transparent